what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Meghliana, and as you can guess from the title of this video, we're going to be reviewing the cleaning products by the Better Home. Now, I had been wanting to try out their products for a while, and a few of you also asked me to do a review of their products, and whatever you wish, I shall deliver. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be reviewing 5 of their products. So we're doing their laundry detergent, dishwashing soap, floor cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner, and their coconut coir utensil scrub. They also have a toilet cleaner, mosquito repellent, and a few other products which are not going to be covered in this video, but if you want me to review those as well, let me know in the comments and I shall do that. Also, a huge thank you to the Better Home for sending over these products. I have been using them since like April at this point, so I've had a good few months of trying them out, and I'm ready to give you my honest review and my honest opinion. Now, why I wanted to try out their products is because of a couple of great reasons. Number one, all their products are made out of 100% natural enzymes and plant-based surfactants, completely free from harsh and toxic chemicals. So when these products go down your drain, they're not polluting the water that they're going into. Like for example, if you flush down a Harpic or a Lysol, it's harsh chemicals and you don't want that to be in your water, right? And in this way, the Better Home has saved 339.1 million liters of water from contamination, and it feels really great to know that you have a tiny little contribution to that huge number. Number 2 is related to the first point, but more on the personal level. So when you're using a natural ingredient, it is not harming the planet but is also not harming you, right? So all of these toxic chemicals can't be good for you, especially if you have pets or if you have little children or have sensitive skin or are very sensitive to strong fumes or fragrances. Natural enzymes solve all those problems, especially because cleaning products, we come in such close contact with every single day. So yeah, it's great for the planet as well as for the people who are using it. Number 3. Now, the products initially come in plastic bottles, but every subsequent month or whenever you order their subscription service, you can get them in refill pouches and use those to refill your bottles. The Better Home takes full responsibility of recycling them for you. So you just ship them back and they will take care of the recycling process and refund the shipping cost back to you. So it's great because a lot of times, you know, we want to recycle but we don't know where to send it, we don't know if the product is even recyclable. So all of that Better Home takes care of, and it's great because they take responsibility for the waste that they're generating. If more people start absorbing this into their regular lifestyle, just imagine how many plastic bottles we can save from going into the landfill. Definitely, I would support a refill system. It is something which requires a little bit more infrastructure and like more planning, which we are so not used to at this point, but hopefully that's gonna come soon in the future. But till then, this is definitely a much better option than using bottles every single time and then throwing them away and buying new bottles every single time. And finally, what I also like is they're very flexible with their products. Like you can customize your box of products if you need more of something and less of something else. For example, if you need more laundry detergent and less of floor cleaner, you can have a box with 2 bottles of laundry detergent and 1 floor cleaner or whatever you need, right? And you can also customize your subscription service. You can pause the order and then get it back whenever you need the products. You can pause a single product and get the others if you were running out of one particular thing more than the other. So in that way, you're not wasting a lot of money. You're not accumulating a lot of products in your house just because you have a subscription. So yeah, with all of these points covered, let's finally move into talking about the individual products and what my experience was using them. First up, we have the dishwashing liquid. Let me just do a quick smell test. It smells ekdam like strong. इसमें lemon juice डाला है किसी ने. एकदम citrusy. And as for consistency, coming on to consistency, it is not definitely as thick as a Vim gel. It's slightly thinner consistency than that, and it's a blue colored liquid as you can see here. Question is, does it remove oil and grease effectively? Absolutely 100% it does. In this clip, my mom used a little bit more than what we use normally, but as you can see, it is completely removed all the grease and all the oil very, very effectively and very nicely. And it does not leave that weird residue in your hands, and I completely hate it. So yeah, it's a huge extra bonus plus in that sense from my side. Foaming wise, it does actually foam so much better than what we expected. Now, we are conditioned to believe that if a cleaning product is foaming, only then is it cleaning. Even though that's not true, but this does definitely foam. And lastly, how long it lasted us. We're a family of 4. 1.5 months average it lasted us, but it obviously completely depends on the size of your family, how many utensils you use, and how much of it you use. Moving on to the coconut coir utensil scrub. So this is slightly more stiff compared to, say, Scotch Brite. It's not as soft and as as bendy, but over a couple of uses it does start taking shape along the curves of your utensils, but it also starts kind of disintegrating a little bit and releases little coconut coir strands as you use it. It's not very inconvenient and it's completely plastic free, so I will continue to use it. But out of all the products, this one has to be my least favorite, only because it lasts a shorter time compared to the plastic alternatives. But I think at the same time, like, because the plastic ones last longer, we end up using it for much more time, and then it just collects food and bacteria, and that's kind of gross. So in that sense, I think this is more hygienic and solves the plastic problem to an extent. So yeah, I think it's better in that sense. But to give you an idea of how long it lasts, approximately 20 to 25 days, I would say, that it just becomes a complete mass of coconut coir eventually. And this pack of 3 lasted us from mid-April to mid-June, so I would say a pack of 3 lasts about 2 months, so wahi ho gaya 20-25 days. Moving on to the floor cleaner, I can't point out what it smells like. It has a clovey kind of a strongish, plantish smell. Like, I can't point out ki it smells like this, but I will get somebody else to tell you what it smells like. On to its consistency and color. It is a clear liquid, ekdam watery consistency hai. Whether it does its job, that is cleaning the floor, and I think, if I may say so, it does a better job than your regular cleaner. So we have a mulberry tree right outside our house, and during the fruiting season, aise chappal ke saath na, the fruit kind of sticks to the chappal and goes all over the floor, and we have these little sticky black patches.
This is amazing, honestly, like, not biased at all. I didn't have to put a lot of pressure into it.
Normally with other cleaners, thoda ek do baar you have to like put some pressure and like try and get those stains off, but with this one I just swiped over the floor a couple of times and it was completely gone so easily. And also it does not leave any like residue or any like white cast or anything on the floor. Next, moving on to the laundry liquid, let me do a quick smell test again. I'm definitely not good at this, but in the bottle, it smells kind of like medicine, but when you use it, when you take it out in the dhakkan, in less quantities, it smells very bubblegummy, especially when you hand wash something. Ekdam bubblegum jaisa smell hota hai, and in the bottle I kind of didn't like the smell as much because it smells like kind of like medicine, but when I'm washing clothes with it, the clothes smell really nice. So I really like how it smells. Consistency wise, it is a clear liquid and it is thicker. It's definitely a thick liquid. It does a very decent job, ekdam like how a normal detergent works. It works perfectly fine, and you can use it to hand wash stuff, you can use it in the machine. Foaming wise, it does not foam as much, but it definitely does foam enough for you to feel that it is doing a good job at cleaning. Only thing is, when I'm hand washing, I end up using a lot more than probably what I need, because we're so used to having a detergent which foams and creates a lot of like bubbles and stuff. This one does not do utna zyada, so I end up using much more during a hand wash. तो washing machine में एकदम बढ़िया है, hand wash में थोड़ा overuse का tendency है. Finally, we have the multi-purpose cleaner. As you can see, it's like an orangey liquid and ekdam pani consistency, and it smells literally like Glucon-D or Rasna or Tang, ekdam orange flavored वैसा वाला. Does it do a good job at removing grease and oil? Bro, we tried it on our stove and our chimney जहाँ पे grease and oil सबसे ज़्यादा collect होता है, and it did such a great job. Honestly, my mom liked it more than say a Mr. Muscle, because she said that you spray it on and the grease and all just starts coming off after some time. So like you rub it like twice and it's off, compared to a regular other cleaner जिसमें थोड़ा घिसना ज़्यादा पड़ता है. Especially grease removers have this very strong chemically pungent सा smell. This one is so nice. It literally reminds me of my childhood Rasna, Tang, Glucon-D. So yeah, I love it. I definitely recommend, and it could be very possibly one of our favorites because it outperformed what we expected it to do. All of them are good, but this one... Now after all the positives, let's quickly move on to some of the negatives. Number one is the price. So these products are more pricey compared to the regular cleaning products, but I think it's a couple of $100 more than the regular products altogether. So if you have the ability to and are willing to spend a little bit extra for non-toxic natural products, I would definitely recommend it because it's definitely worth the price. But yes, I do agree that they're a little bit more pricey. Number 2 is the bottles. Now because they've designed it for refill and reuse, us standard ke hisab se the bottles are a little flimsy, they're a little softer plastic, they're not as sturdy as like a hard plastic. So for reuse, I mean it's intact, it's working perfectly fine, कुछ टूटा वूटा नहीं है, but थोड़ा सा squish हो गया है bottles, you know. Not a deal breaker whatsoever, but I think the bottles can be a little more hard plastic, थोड़ा पतला है plastic इसका. Finally, number 3 is accessibility. Again, like you cannot go to your local roadside store and buy these, but if you have access to online markets and online shopping, they're very easily available. I will link their website and all the information down in the description if you want to check them out, if you want to know more about them. So I completely forgot to talk about the box, guys. So yeah, it's a completely plastic free packaging, ekdam cardboard box hai, and the tape was also paper tape, and this is the coconut scrub pad wala the thing, that cardboard that holds it together, and they have a bill inside. But yeah, there's no plastic whatsoever in the packaging, and that is another great thing that I really support and I really like. If you have any questions about the subscription, the refill pouches, how you ship them, how it gets recycled, the whole process, and how to customize your order and stuff like that, if you want a part 2 of this video, let me know in the comments and I will do that as well. But yeah, that's all for this video. I really hope it was helpful and you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want me to review any other products, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments and I will try my best to answer them. And please give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe because more videos coming soon, and yeah, share it with anyone who you think would find any use out of this video. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. In such close proximity to us, have product would be this one. Why do I forget how to talk?
I like it. It's actually nice.
Pasina, bro. This is my sleek ponytail also because of the sweat. Not just because I'm sleek. I don't use any hair gel. My pasina is my hair gel. Natural, non-toxic hair gel. The heat is getting to me and I think I should eat some food now. Bye guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. I hope you enjoyed it and lots of love to you.